Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So in this video I am showing you how to use a fax machine to stencil your tattoos. So how to get that off a stencil or a fax machine. Okay, it does have to be a thermofax machine. If you need any help on that, just pop a comment below and I will help you out. Okay guys, so first step is to invert your image. Because the stencil will mirror the image, so it comes out the right way up. Okay, that's an important part if you are using a fax machine. I always attach my stencil paper to a normal piece of paper, because on a stencil machine it kind of needs that to grip. This is how I do it. Shiny bit is always facing up. Once you've done that, all is left to do is to load your fax machine and make a copy. Okay, let's see if I can. So stencil is going to go facing down. Stencil facing down. Okay, once we've done that, we just hit the copy button, start, and I like to give it a hand just to make sure that it kind of feeding properly. Okay, once we're sure that it's feeding properly, we just have to wait and see our result. As you can see, that's our stencil. Now let's see how it turned out. Okay, so that is our stencil made with a fax machine. Now, trying to do this by hand, you can do it well, but there is more margin for error, okay? And obviously then you will tattoo over that, and then there's another margin for error. So if your stencil is pretty spot on, nice and straight, then you're making your life easier, okay? Now I will try and apply the stencil so you can see how it looks. Okay guys, so we have our stencil and we have our fluid, stencil fluid. This is my own formula. If you want to see how that's made, it's really strong, just go check out my other videos. And I don't have much space, but I will kind of try and put it on there for you to see. Okay, we have our stencil. I cleaned skin with rubbing alcohol, okay, and so we don't have much space, but that's where we are going to put it. Okay, for the sake of the video I'm going to put it facing myself. Normally I would do it the other way around, but it will be weird to show you guys. So we have our stencil fluid, and this is actually my own kind of formula. Obviously I didn't invent it, but if you want to see how I do it, it's super strong. I've used it for years, so okay, so basically just your normal way of applying the stencil. Okay, you want to let the skin kind of absorb your stencil fluid. Okay. And you just kind of put it on there. Wait for it to soak up. I like to hold it with some paper towel. Now some people will go over it with some, will kind of do some Dettol or something on it. Normally I don't see the need to. So let's see how our stencil turned out. Okay. So as easy as that. Get it to focus. Okay, obviously this way we have perfect lettering or reference to tattoo on. Okay, and it will help you out obviously because it is a straight and sharp stencil. Okay guys, so stencil all done with a fax machine. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will catch you guys soon.